Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the sixth question of the algebra chapter. So question says x and y are integers such that 5 divided by x minus 4y as well as square root of 10 minus x are not real numbers. So they are not real numbers. Now if x and y are integer, then x minus 4y is also an integer. So what I get is 5 upon an integer is not equal to a real number. This is only possible when this integer equals to 0. Okay, when it is 5 upon 0, then it is not a real number. So if this denominator is 0, so from here I can conclude x minus 4y is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4y. This is what we have concluded. What do we have to find? We have to find the minimum value of y. So over here we have to find the minimum value of y, and x is equal to 4 times y, or y is equal to x upon 4. So y is x upon 4. We have to minimize y. So whenever x is minimized, y will be minimized. Also I know root of 10 minus x is also not a real number. It is also not equal to a real number. What that means is that if square root of any number k is not real, that means k is negative. Okay, so by that logic, square root of 10 minus x is not equal to a real number. That means 10 minus x is less than 0. You are taking square root of a negative number, which will not give you a real number. So if that is the case, from here we can conclude is x is greater than 10. So x is greater than 10. Also we have found that y is equal to x upon 4. X is an integer because x and y are both integers. So x and y are both integers. So if x is greater than 10 and x and y are both integers, what are the values first of all x can take? Can x be 11? If x becomes 11, y will become 11 by 4. Y is not an integer, so x cannot be 11. X has to be greater than 10 and integer. So that is why we are checking like that. So if x is equal to 12, why will that be equal to 12 by 4, which is an integer, which is equal to 3. This is the minimum most value of y we get as y equal to 3. So what is the minimum value of y? 3 over here is the right answer. Alright, that's how we solve this question.